21 times half equal to what? Look, 21 is a whole number, so first convert this whole number into fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply by the fraction 1 half. So to multiply this fraction with this fraction, just multiply top number together and you are getting a new numerator, and bottom number together. You are getting new denominator. So 21 times 1 means 21, 1 times 2 means 2. Now divide this 21 by 2. 2 goes into 2, 1 time 2, 2. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this. 2 goes into 1 how many times? Actually 1 is less than 2, so 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 1. Okay, this one is remainder now. So to continue this process, take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there's a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 0. So our answer is 10.2. Or you can write your answer in mixed format. So how to do that? Just convert this improper fraction 21 divided by 2 into mixed number. So how to do that? Just divide this 21 by 2. Look, 2 goes into 2 1 times 2, 2. Subtract 0, bring down this. 2 goes into 1 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 1. So this one is remainder. So the mixed number will be like this. Quotient 10, then remainder will be numerator and denominator will be this divisor. You can write your answer this or this.